Good morning. We're in Otisfield. First time this year we've been out of Leeds, and I think all the way up until end of June we booked up now. So end of June we are in Leeds. This is the only one for the first half of the year, so we're out of the LS postcode. Normally do Harrogate, Preston, we're all over the place, you know what I mean? But this year we've got Otisfield. Big rivals of Leeds United. We're not bothered about Otisfield. In 2000s, Leeds used to always play Huddersfield away with Mark Viduka. First friendly game for us. We went to Huddersfield away and they hated us. And we're just like, I think Champions League, mate, what do we need to come and watch? Worry about Huddersfield? It's like Bradford, isn't it? Bradford haters. League 2, whatever. Anyway, we're in Huddersfield. Leeds are Leeds fans and they got us off YouTube. So thank you, YouTube, for doing your job. But yeah, on this one, Indian Stone Patio, Indian Stone here, can't really see it, but here, and then Indian Stone all the way down there to get. So it's quite a nice one. Bit of grass staying in, so it's not like a yard, you know what I mean? But when it's a corner, on a corner plot, like a cheese wedge, back garden, so it is, I'll show you around later, but it would easily feel like a courtyard, so, but yeah. Stop now with t-shirt on. Bloody freezing. And just for you guys moaning at me for my boots, I've just had, Tom's going to moan at me now, I've just had a tattoo on my leg and it's, have I had a tattoo? And the boots will go over my tattoo, so I'm letting it heal and then eventually I might put my boots on. But he's laughing. I won't. I don't want to think you're asleep. But yeah, it's because my tattoos are better than his, that's what it is. So, but yeah, enjoy guys. Right guys, we're done. As you've seen, stoned up this section. It's just a rough height. We need to put Zecos in, whack that down, get it sorted out. But God, it just keeps raining. Bloody cloud. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute horrible. So we've just been to the supplier, as you've seen, and we've just got some OSB for skip for front garden. And for cutting later on while we're in here. But this is what we've had to do. Pile of stuff up, all soil, all sand that were underneath and all the flags that were on top. But the customer, like I say, I don't know if I've said it to be honest with you, but the customer that we're supposed to be working at, last minute holiday, South Africa. So we've had to get in touch with these guys and literally, right, we're coming tomorrow, bang, You know what I mean? A few days notice, you know what I mean? But so I haven't been able to order skips and do my thing, you know what I mean? Skip woman, have a laugh with her on phone. She's like, she's talking to me. She's like, why can't you plan it? Why can't you get your skips? Da-da-da-da-da. So I said, if I want a taxi, I'll ring a taxi now. If I want a skip, I'll ring a skip now. She's like, shouldn't do that. Should do it other way around, you know what I mean? Look how blue that sky is there. Peeing it down a minute ago. So, yes, that is it for today. A bit of bitting and batting and just getting a day out of it sort of thing. But yeah, more digging out tomorrow. Skips coming, fill skip up, bit of bit. That's his plan for the next few days. Bit of bit. It's just how I talk to Tom, and Tom's like, I ain't got a clue what you're on about. So, yes, I shall see you 8 o'clock in the morning. See you soon.